3, 2, 1. A brooch for your hair. What is it called? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica. This is gonna be another crazy, insane unboxing. Chanel just dropped their newest Métiers d'Art collection. There's been a ton of buzz about the latest Matthew BLAZY's newest collection. This is gonna be the newest drop that just happened on June 4th. This is a pretty huge bag and I know you guys don't like to wait, so let's get straight into the unboxing review. I did unbox this for my short form type of content. This isn't totally brand new, but I've had 24 hours to really have this joy, okay, seep in. Apparently this drop was one of the hardest drops and everyone has been scavenging to get something like this. This does look like a really small box, but trust me, whatever is inside this bag is gonna blow your mind away. June is my birthday month. I also just got recently engaged. This is my first actual YouTube video since the whole proposal happened almost 2 weeks ago in New York City. I'm so stoked. I wanted to celebrate and we are gonna be having our engagement party the end of summer, kind of around there. So I kind of wanted to celebrate obviously all of these occasions and get myself a really nice bag right before all of that stuff. And my sales associate is so sweet. She actually wrote me a handwritten card saying congratulations on my engagement, wishing you so much happiness in this exciting new season of life, all of our best, and it has her name and all of the friends that has worked at the Seattle location. I'm so entirely blessed that I get this opportunity. Why does this look like the world's cutest thing ever? A brooch for your hair. What is it called? Hair clip. I honestly had really good luck and I also had an established sales associate as well. I only established this new relationship with her 2 months ago when I got my Chanel 25 mini. And since then, I have popped in here and there and just kind of like, hey, hello, I exist. It does come with a dust bag. 3, 2, 1. I didn't know if I wanted like the all silver or the all gold or the silver and the gold two-toned. All the styles that we saw in store was absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's different than no other. I do remember that Chanel did do a metallic version in the cruise collection they had, but it was more subtle. It was more pale, more light, and it wasn't like a bang. The classic Vanity with the chain, it has the top handle and it is made of lambskin on the top. Everything else is caviar leather. I am full obsessed, okay, with only caviar leather because it is the most durable in my opinion. I'm honestly not even worried about the color transfer, the color, even some of the scratches and discolorations, because this is such a deep type of color. It's not like it's a pastel yellow or like a white or like a pink. That gorgeous, by the way, but also I am so scared. I've already stained one of my light Chanel's like a dot, but still, you could still see the dot. It does have a mirror. What do you fit in this small bag? It does fit my iPhone 17 Pro, and you still have a lot more room in here. So I like to have like a bag of my lippies, a hand sanitizer, my car keys, my wallet. What else do you carry in a bag? Love how the card holder slots though have 3 and not just like 1 or 2. That way you can stuff way more things inside of it. I personally have like 7 or 8 cards that I'm always bringing with me. Sometimes I have some cash, sometimes I have like a punch card or a gift card, all that stuff. And so I do want to be able to separate that away from like putting it all in one pile. Now, unfortunately, with the chain itself, you can't really adjust it. That's the one downside about this. But if you're okay with the length on how to wear it, it is a little bit above the hip, which is totally fine. I think it's like perfect where it's at. Sometimes, let's say you're at a wedding and you're like so not with the chain. My sales associate told me that you could always tuck it inside like this. The thing is, you do have to zip up the zipper all the way to the one end, tuck the chain behind like this, and voila. This looks so pretty already. You can barely see the chain, but even if you do see the chain, it looks kind of like a little tiny accessory that's kind of hanging off a little bit. I love either or. It just really depends on like your occasion and like whether or not you want the strap hanging out, whatever. So you can honestly dress it up, dress it down however you'd like, but this gold finish is absolutely insanely gorgeous. I wanted metallic anything honestly, but I knew that the gold and the silver and the two-tone were just dropped and those were gonna be so freaking hard to like grab my hands on. The leopard, the Dalmatian, the Superman, they're gonna be sold out and they were sold out on launch day, but I feel like I still scored a deal. And if I didn't have the Chanel 25 mini Skinny and the Slim Vanity already, I would have totally secured one of those other metallic silver ones. But then I was thinking to myself, like, I have a silver chrome darker metallic fanny pack anyways that my mom gifted me. It is more vintage. And I was like, I know that this silver is a little bit lighter, but I'm like, do I really need it? I don't know. I'm still thinking about the Slim Vanity because I'm like, it is super gorgeous and it matches a lot of my things that I normally wear. But what do we think? The chain is so freaking gorgeous as well. The bottom just shows the interlocking CC and it's huge. It's plastered. It looks like it's stamped almost, but it is so freaking pretty. I like how it's so big like this versus it being too subtle. The thing about this is that when you guys go into Chanel, you want to make sure that you know what you're wanting, okay? And that you have a vision for everything. Are you going to use it? How often are you going to use it? Where are you going to use it? And do you genuinely think that you're going to use this color? Like, do you love it or is it just a trend? I love iconic statement pieces, so I knew I had to grab this ASAP. Let me know if you guys want me to kind of film like what's in my new everyday summer bag, because this is so cute for travel. It's cute for brunch. It's cute for honestly any occasion, even weddings, I feel like. Anyways, I am logging off. Thank you guys so much, honestly, for allowing me to just have this opportunity to show my shopping vlog with you guys and just giving me the opportunity to even purchase something like this because of you guys' support, because of your views, your engagement, all that stuff. Like, I get to show you guys around as to like what everything looks like, how to get this and that behind the scenes, and also just like how to dress, you know, appropriately, whatever. I have all the tips and tricks, guys, because I have posted a round of series on my short form content. So if you've missed that, go ahead and check my Instagram, my TikTok, my Snapchat, because girl, there's some things I post on Snapchat that's not posted on Instagram. For example, cannot believe I got this Métiers de art launch. This is an absolute dream. This is old money right here. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification on. That way you know when I'm posting the entire week. We'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
So cozy.